So today is Sunday and I was gonna go to the flea market, but to be honest, since I went Thursday, I felt like I just didn't have too many like new things, and it was freezing this morning. It was like 48 in Florida, so I was like, you know what? I don't think many people are gonna be going to the swap shop, so I have a lot of stuff to do at home. I have a lot of unlisted inventory, so I figured, you know what? Let's just stay home and, you know, have a little at-home vlog. But I just went to Home Depot and I got some moving boxes. Currently packing up stuff, as well as all that's unlisted inventory that I'm currently washing. I am going to be washing all my inventory from now on. Starting today, I'm washing all the old inventory so that way it's ready for the new apartment. My old apartment, my personal closet was here, and then my inventory was in another room. So it was separate from each other, so it didn't really matter if I washed it or not. But now, since my inventory is gonna be mixed with my personal closet, I just want everything to be smelling good and clean. So I'm quickly doing laundry literally the entire day. I started this morning at like 8 a.m. and now it is 2:30 and I'm still going. Today's video that you're going to be watching that I'm uploading today is going to be the garage sales that I went yesterday, Saturday. But today is going to be kind of just going through inventory. I might hit up a thrift store just really quick, but right by my house, just go see if they have anything good. But yeah, I'm just kind of just packing and, like I said, cleaning my inventory. I have to wash so many clothes because I have a lot of inventory. So I have to wash all of these shirts. By the way, if you didn't see my birthday vlog, this is my new toy, my little plinker. But I have all these shirts to wash, all of these down here, and then a few jackets. So it's not as bad as I think, but I'm thinking at least 5 to 6 loads. So I'm gonna knock that out today, and just got a lot of stuff listed, or got a lot of inventory that I need to list. We've been getting a lot of stuff. The garage sale, I literally had an entire trash bag full of stuff. And then the thrift store, we got a lot of stuff also. So I'm just sitting on a lot of unlisted inventory. And you guys know unlisted inventory is just money just sitting in there. So I need to get all that listed. I am bringing back emcvlogs.com, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Basically, all the inventory that I'm gonna be listing, I'm gonna list on there. I'm gonna have probably 200 items on the drop. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. It should be a good one. I'm excited to bring back the website and see how much you guys kill it. But like I said, I'm just doing laundry. Maybe I'll hit up a thrift store. I just figure, you know what, let me record, let me make a little video out of it and just record the process. Right, Cap? They loved you in the video, so I think I just gotta include you in videos from now on. Are you excited to move? A new apartment? I know, new surroundings. You're gonna love it, big man. Look how cute his face is. You got a dry nose and you got boogies in your eye. We gotta clean those.
2 hours later.
Finally got a little break from doing laundry and just packing, so I'm gonna quickly hit up a couple thrift stores in the local area. Let's see if we find anything good. Let's hope they brought out some new racks. But today is Sunday, so I feel like Sundays and Saturdays are like the most thrifted days, you know? It's just everybody is constantly hitting thrift stores because people are usually off on the weekends. But let's hope we find something good, and let's hit up the first thrift store. Let's see, men's stuff. Let's see for shoes today. Got a couple pair of Airforces. What size are these? Size 11. Super beat. What size are these? Size 11 also. These aren't as beat, but still some scuffs. Nothing that can't be cleaned. I think they're $5 each. And what are these, like Nike Courts? I think these are super beat though. The creasing. These aren't too bad. Damn, look how sick this Rasta print. Life's a beach surfwear. I don't know why that's like a tongue twister. Made in USA tag. Super sick shorts. So I'm gonna try to get the other Airforces for like maybe $3 instead of $5 since they're super beat, but we'll see. So I literally just typed in Life's a Beach shorts. Look at these, 200, 350, 350. I guess they're from the 80s. 400, 189, 300. Yo, I think I struck gold with these. Show you guys the tag. Made in USA surfwear. Life's a Beach. Crazy. Come up of the day. Damn, I bet the same person that dropped off
those pants, dropped off this jacket. Look at this vintage O'Neill snowboarding jacket. Has this since 1952, and then on the back it has O'Neill, and it almost reminds me of like Stone Island, how it has like that round logo. Super sick. So I totally didn't realize the back little closet, so I got this Nautica Competition long sleeve cross training, made in USA tag, Polo Ralph Lauren little cargo shorts, super sick Budweiser cycling jersey, has like the Budweiser print all over, Budweiser, and then I found these Nike Kobe shorts. And I already have a bag of stuff. I got the 2 Airforces, the shorts, and then the O'Neill jacket. But now I'm gonna get all these stuff. If only there was a pair of Kobe's.
See, we randomly go to a thrift store while we're doing laundry on like our day off, and we hit. We got 2 pairs of Airforces. We got everything I showed you, those O'Neill, those swim shorts. I don't know if those shorts actually go for that much money. I'll have to actually look up comps, but it seems like they're from the 80s. It seems like they're a brand, Life's a Beach, and it seems like they might be at least $100. It's crazy. I haven't seen any skull ones, but I've seen other ones, and the cheapest ones I've seen from that brand is about $100. So it seems like we did good. That O'Neill jacket's so fire. I paid $5 for that jacket. I paid $1 for the shorts. All clothing was $1. So when I went back to the other rack and I found like those polo cargos, I found the long sleeve, I paid $1 for all that. So I paid $21 and all of that stuff. Now we're gonna hit up one more thrift store, then we're gonna go back home and continue doing laundry, because, you know, it's 4 o'clock now. I have to make a thumbnail for today's garage sailing video too, so I do have to do that. So let's go hit up this one more thrift store and see if we find anything good. I just got at thrift store number 2. Sadly, there was anything good. They even brought out a new rack and literally nothing, just straight BS. So it is what it is. But like I said, the first thrift store we did get some good things. So it is what it is. I'm gonna go back home and kind of just finish the laundry. So it's been a few hours. I actually changed. I got all nice dressed up because I'm actually taking my mom out for her birthday dinner. Yesterday was her birthday. So I'm taking her out to dinner, but I just wanted to show you guys. I've been doing laundry this whole time. I actually have a box already paired right here. I have boxes in the kitchen already set up, so we making moves, But I just took the Airforces out of the washer. Guys, look how nice these ones look. Now you guys remember, we got these at the thrift store about an hour ago, 2 hours ago. We paid $5 each, and look at them. Alright, so this is one pair of an 11. By the way, I'm using water bottles, I'm putting you guys on game right now. If you guys wash your sneakers, or if you want to get the thing, use a water bottle and just shove it, and it makes the toe box nice and crispy, and it will leave it there, or at least, you know, it'll be better. So again, we got these for $5. Look how clean these look, guys. Basically brand new. These are my personal pairs, size 12. I washed them with it, but I'm not going to show you guys my personal pair just because I don't want to get you guys. Actually, I don't even know which size is this. This is 11. Which one's my personal pair? I'm like confused on which one's my personal pair. Okay, so these are my personal pairs, so I'm going to put these out of the way. Now these are the pairs that I got for $5. So again, crispy white Air Force Ones that we paid $5, and these ones that were the messed up ones that were super dirty, the ones that I actually tried to get discounted less, but she wouldn't budge. And look, it was just basically top dirt. The bottoms are a little bit yellowed, but I'll be honest, for $5 you can't go wrong. This pair turned out excellent. This pair basically turned out new. I do have the insoles. I need to clean those because those things are disgusting. Look at those things. But as far as, you know, the actual outside of the shoe, now we're just gonna let them air dry. But hey, for $5 and low key, I wear a size 12. These are size 11, so I could just rock these myself if I wanted. But I will list these on my website once I launch them. So I think I'm just gonna end today's video here. I have a lot of laundry stuff to do, but I figured, you know what, let me just pull out the camera. At least we did go to that thrift store and found some nice things. And you know what, I figured it's better to post than not post at all. I'm trying to keep the daily upload, so I hope you guys don't mind the not so best video. If you did, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another vlog at 8 p.m. And don't forget, guys, let's get it.